Hey there, fellow traders. Are you ready to dive into a scalping strategy that'll change the game? We've got a powerful approach that uses two amazing free indicators on TradingView. To begin, feel free to open any chart of your choice on TradingView. It's completely up to you which market and time frame you like to explore. The strategy works effectively across various assets and time frames, allowing you to tailor it to your unique trading style. Now let's look at the gold 5-minute chart as an example. I found a great indicator called the Smarter MACD Bands that has been performing really well. To add it to your chart, go to the indicator section, search for a Smarter MACD Band, and then add it. After adding the indicator, we need to adjust settings to make it best for you. No worries though, I've already figured out the ideal settings for the Smarter MACD Band. Just follow along as I walk you through these settings so you can get the most out of this powerful tool. The Smarter MACD Band is an awesome tool that makes spotting buy and sell signals as a breeze. It brings together the power of the MACD and other technical indicators like moving averages and bands to help you trade more effectively. You'll see green and red triangles popping up on your chart, courtesy of the Smarter MACD Band. Think of these triangles as traffic lights for trading. Green means possible buy signal, while red signals a potential sell opportunity. The indicator looks at different factors such as momentum and trend to create these helpful signals. To become a better trader, it's important to use several tools together to make smarter decisions. The Smarter MACD Band is great, but we should pair it with another indicator for more reliable signals. But before we talk about the second indicator, let me share an awesome trading platform called SimpleFX. It has tons of trading options, forex pairs, crypto pairs, stocks, and indices. Plus, there's a special offer just for you. Sign up through the link in the video description to get a 5,000 bonus and a 5% cashback on all your trades. Don't miss out on this chance to boost your trading game. Now let's find another indicator that works well with the Smarter MACD Band to help you trade more confidently. Next up in our strategy is the Best Cloud OLMA indicator, which will act as a confirmation tool for MACD Band indicator. To add this indicator to your chart, simply search for it in the indicator section and click on it, just like you did with the first indicator. However, we'll need to optimize the Best Cloud OLMA settings to make it an effective confirmation tool. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the necessary adjustments step by step to ensure you're set up for success. The best cloud OLMA is a helpful tool that shows you the direction of market. Once you add it to your chart, you'll see a colorful cloud. To know if the market is going up or down, look at the cloud's color and where the price is compared to the cloud. If the cloud is green and the price is above it, the market is likely going up. And if the cloud is red and the price below it, the market is probably going down. So now we have all the tools we need. Let's see what are the trading rules. Let's break down a simple way to enter a long trade using this strategy. First, look for a green triangle below a candle on the chart. Once you spot it, ensure the trend is bullish by checking the best cloud OLMA indicator. If the cloud is green and the price is above it, that's a good sign. Now you can confidently open a buy position. To protect your trade, set a stop loss below the recent swing low or one of the ribbon bands. This helps limit your risk in case the market turns against you. To exit the trade with a profit, set a target price that's 1.5 times greater than the distance between your entry price and a stop loss level. And for sell trades, the process is similar, but in reverse. Look for a red triangle above the candle. And ensure the trend is bearish by checking the best cloud OLMA indicator. The cloud should be red with the price below it. So, open a sell position if both conditions are met. Then set your stop loss above the recent swing high or one of the ribbon bands. Finally, set your profit target 1.5 times greater than the distance between entry price and a stop loss level. Great job on mastering this strategy. To keep improving your trading skills, we suggest watching our recommended video filled with additional tips and techniques.